Hi y'all. How to create sugar and oil for TEOTWAWKI. Okay. Now if you watch my videos, I've already showed how to do the sugar beets. Okay. So, and there they are right there. That's some sugar beets. That's where we get our sugar. There's about 20% sugar content inside that sugar beets. 20%. Here's an interesting beet right here. It's red beet. Okay, something with the DNA. Okay, so you plant your sugar beet. I'm in zone 8B, so I planted the sugar beet in early October, and I harvested well today. So, but let me go ahead and show you what the sugar beet looks like. That's what the plant looks like, right there. And I harvested this row. See that? And on this row right here, I already planted. If you look real close, oh, right here. See, I got the seeds right there. I got them about 10 inches apart. See that right there? All the way down here. Another one right there, right there. Okay, so I think I got about 40 down here on this row. I just got done setting them up. They're all in here. See that right there, where the shadow is? And so I still got a little work to do tilling. I'm using a horse tiller. But after I harvest the sugar beet, as you can see right here, I chopped up the leaves into 3 sections. Okay, to add 3 sections to add green manure. And I used the machete. Okay, let me show you right here. I got my gloves right here. Let me go ahead and put my gloves right here. Okay, so the camera's right there. Okay, so let me show you how to do this. You pull, it's kind of muddy. You pull your beet and you take your machete and you just chop it, okay? All right, you separate your beet. See that? Separate your beet, and then you throw the leaves on top. And just cut them into 3 sections, okay? And if the beets are small, you can chop them up. If the beets are small, you can chop them up. See right here? Just cut it. All right. But anyways, so use your machete. Right there. Oh man, I didn't put that right. So you got your machete. They're chopped up and ready to till in. Okay. This is the finished tilling process. Right there. And notice how there isn't much material, green material on top. And right here there is. I've still got to till on the side, pull the weeds out on the side. And then I'm going to run this horse tiller all the way down low and go real deep and till the whole thing, and then rake it up on the sides. I have potatoes in here, but they weren't doing too great. Like right here, I'm going to probably leave these in. But I want to at least get these 1, 2, 3. I want to try to get 5 rows planted with peanuts, and this is what the peanuts look like. You just turn around and just, let me see what they say here. Raw jumbo Virginia peanuts. It's got to say raw. If it says cooked, it ain't gonna work. It needs to be raw peanuts, and these just happen to be Virginia peanuts. Now, you're gonna need, what's really cool here is I already know how to get sugar, and those sugar beets taste good. They taste really good when you chop them up. You don't have to extract the sugar. I think I'm gonna put these in the freezer, but you need cooking oil and you need sugar for long-term survival. Okay, TEOTWAWKI survival. All right, most of us aren't gonna make it anyways, but those of us that do, gotta know how to create sugar and peanut oil. Okay, I've got to go ahead and cover this up, and you guys already know how to cover that up. I'm using a trencher to pull the sugar beets. It's a lot easier, okay, than pulling them by hand. All right, and you know, I got a flat tire on my tractor, so I'm using the horse tiller, and it does the same thing. The process is about the same. So, all right, so I got to go hit it. I'm gonna hit this both sides. And then I'm gonna hit both sides, and I'm gonna go deep in the middle and then rake everything up, make it look really good like this right here. And plant this one and then take care of this one right here, okay? Remember, you're gonna need oil and you're gonna need sugar when the TEOTWAWKI hits. See y'all later.